Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fruit sauce. First, select about 2 cups of your favorite ripe fruit, like berries or peaches. Wash and chop them if necessary. Next, combine the fruit with 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Continue cooking until the fruit becomes tender and starts to break down, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. To enhance your fruit sauce, a small squeeze of lemon juice can really brighten the flavors. Consider adding warm spices like 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg for extra depth. If you prefer a thicker sauce, you can simply continue simmering it to reduce the liquid. Alternatively, mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with an equal amount of cold water to create a slurry, then stir it into the simmering sauce until it thickens. Once your fruit sauce is ready, allow it to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prep. This versatile sauce is delicious served warm over pancakes, waffles, or French toast. It also makes a fantastic topping for yogurt, oatmeal, or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy your homemade creation. If your fruit sauce turns out too thin, simply continue simmering it gently for a few more minutes to allow more liquid to evaporate. Conversely, if it's too thick, you can easily thin it out by stirring in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water until it reaches your desired consistency. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This allows you to enjoy your favorite books wherever you go, making it perfect for any adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.